Tapos po yun, lahat ng dokumentong na ipresenta during the trial, ilalagay po nila yan, i-collate nila yan, at meron pong purpose na itatabulate nila yan kung bakit nila binibigay yung ebidensya na yon, dokumento na yon sa korte. At yun po, iisa-isahin ng korte yon. The presiding officer will have to sift through it, isa-isa. Of course, bibigyan ng oras yung kabilang panig, the respondent, na makapagkomento doon, sabihin yung kanilang mga objection on admissibility and authenticity, and the presiding officer will have to rule on them. So that might take siguro mga isang linggo o baka makancel yung isang linggo na hearing na 3 trial dates kasi bago makapag-umpisang presenta yung kabilang panig, which is the respondent, kailangan munang mag-resolve ang ating presiding officer on the admissibility of the evidence presented by the House Prosecution Panel para alam nung kabilang panig, which is the respondent, na magpapresenta kung ano doon yung kanilang mga sasalagin na mga ebidensya. Kasi yun lamang na in order na ng presiding officer na ebidensya, yun lamang yung pwedeng maging parang official na mga dokumentong sasalagin naman ng respondent.
Attorney, what can the public make out of either late na attendance ng senator judges or absence nila sa impeachment trial proceedings po?
It's hard to draw any conclusion from the actions of the senator judges. Of course, there are matters na personal to them that only they can relate to the public, the reason why they are late or absent. We leave it to them and to their respective staff to relay these matters to the public, no? Now doon sa ang concern lamang ng publiko dapat sa attendance or tardiness ng ating mga senator judges should only relate to the quorum, na kapag kulang po yung ating mga senator judges, not enough to constitute a quorum, then wala pong trial na mangyayari. So basta po ma-meet po yung minimum threshold for a quorum, enough na po yon para mag-conduct at magpatuloy yung mga proceedings pang araw-araw sa impeachment trial.
Pero attorney, may nakalagay po ba sa rules ng Senate as an Impeachment Court na pwedeng wala muna ngayon, hindi mo na magpapakita o attend yung senator judge, and then pagka sa araw na lang ng botohan, doon na lang po magpapakita?
Walang nakalagay na spesifiko yung ganyan, no? Pero kung makikita ninyo naman, yung ating mga senator judges are very engaged, and I'm sure they are as as political personalities themselves. They constantly monitor the goings on and saka yung mga coverage ng ninyo, ng media. So they are apprised and aware naman sila, and they can always access yung live telecast ng Senado, pati mga dokumento mula sa clerk of court, and also have their staff keep them up to speed kapag sila ay nawala ng isang araw, 2 araw, or even a week, so that they will be able, at the end of the day, be able to decide on the ultimate question na kung guilty ba o hindi sa kahuli-hulihan. Okay? Wala na. Thank you. Thank you.